In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to connect Spotify to another phone. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly set up Spotify and connect it to a different device. So if you have an old phone and you switched into a different one and you want to make sure that Spotify is set up properly, or you just want to sign into the same Spotify account on two different devices, all that you have to do is open the Play Store or the App Store and locate the latest version of Spotify. So open the Play Store if you are using an Android device and the App Store if you are on iOS. You will be able to look for Spotify and download the latest version of the application. So update the app if needed, and once this is done, you will be able to open it up to set it up on the new device. After the download is done, it will install itself, and then you can go ahead and open it. The good thing about Spotify is that you don't need to spend a lot of time setting it up on a new device. It is going to ask you to sign into your pre-existing account, and as long as you do, using valid credentials, usually a phone number and a password, or an email address and password, you will be able to listen to all of your songs, access all of your playlists, and so on. After the app finishes downloading, open it up, and you will be able to sign into a pre-existing account. You can also just create a new one if you have never used Spotify before, and if you want to ensure that Spotify is going to work flawlessly, it is recommended to sign out of your account in the old device that you had. However, if you are still going to be using that device, there is no problem in being signed into two different devices at once. You just have to choose the option to sign in, proceed with your phone number, Google account, or Facebook profile, and you will be able to get this done. All of your pre-existing playlists will be accessible. You will see all of the songs that you have listened to, and everything will be available just like the old Spotify application that you had on a different device. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect Spotify to another phone. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.